fighting will end up like Caesar's. I'm not trying to fight with you, I just want to stand. Servant. Send us the Portia. Portia? Trying to make up for it.
Don't fight, don't leave me.
I have to fight. I'm gonna get killed anyway.
You move to safety.
No, I must fight my conspirators.
Don't leave me.
Portia, a letter from Calpurnia.
Calpurnia? What does she want? She wants to talk about things and end the fighting. Find me a ride to her house.
Alright, let's go.
Go.
Portia, I didn't think that you would show up.
I got your letter.
And Brutus told me to fight?
Yeah, I tried so hard, but you won't listen.
Well, I had a dream that he died, and I had a dream that Caesar died, and Caesar ended up getting killed, like my dream.
Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do now.
I don't know what I'm going to do without Caesar, I'm so lonely.
I don't know what I'm gonna do without Brutus.
Well, we can't kill each other because I'm an honorable Roman, and I don't want to die. Like, I want to die an honorable death, you know?
Maybe if we kill each other, then we can die noble.
How do we do that?
Are you ready to do this? I'm not sure.
We have to do it. We can't live life without Caesar and Brutus.
I know.
You ready? Go. Caesar!
Brutus.
Go.
Calpurnia! Portia! Oh my god! Why? Oh my gosh, this is because of Brutus and Caesar? I must tell their servants. Stop fighting! Stop fighting! Portia, kill herself.
Why?
This is you.
I should have listened to her. I shouldn't have fought. Now I must die.
Here lies Brutus, Portia, and Calpurnia. Fighting never solves anything.
I'm trying to make amends with her. So you should meet me at my house so we can talk about his fate because my...
She wants to fix things and talk about it.
Don't we do that? Ready? That might just like that here. Alright.
No, I'm recording now.
Stop fighting! Portia killed herself because of you.
No, you should have first thing to say was why.
No? You said, no, I said you should have listened to her. See, you really can't...
Kill herself.
Why?
Because of you.
Army
Oh my god! Portia killed herself.
Why?
Because of you.